Hi friends, it's me again. Guess what time it is now? It is time for us to do a little bit of drama. So what are we going to start with? We are going to start with our wiggle warm-up. Yes, we are. All right, everybody get your wiggles on. Okay, make sure you're wiggling good. Let's pass those wiggles around. There you go. All right, I see them going. Ha, those are some funny wiggles. All right, keep passing. Good job. All right, back to me. Awesome. I'm wiggling again. Wiggling all over. Wiggling everything. All right, everybody, one last big wiggle. Ooh, that's good. That felt wonderful. Okay, let's do our next warm up. Tongue twisters. Ready? Who remembers the big one? Uh-huh. Okay, so let me hear you say it first. Good. Uh-huh. That was it. She sells seashells at the seashore. You guys are just amazing. I love it. All right, so let's do it again. And let's see if we can keep going and keep it super fast as we keep going every time. You ready? She sells seashells at the seashore. 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 Wow. That got super fast and super tongue twisty, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Well, that's a good one, friend. But you know what? I want us to try a new one that's based on our letter of the week. What's our letter of the week this week? Z. Yes. Okay, this one is short, but it's got a lot of zoos in it. Ready? ZZ's zippy zipper zips. Oh, that was a lot of Z's. Let's see if we can do it again. Ready? ZZ's zippy zipper zips. Woo, that feels weird. Let's try that one more time. Ready? ZZ's zippy zipper zips. Wow. Let's see if we can go super fast. And I bet you our tongue's gonna get all twisted because of the zzz, right? It's all gonna sound like zzz. All right, let's try it. You ready? ZZ zippy zipper zips. ZZ zippy zipper zips. Uh-oh. Here we go. One more time. ZZ zippy zipper zips. Wow. A lot of Z's. Zzz. That's fun. Makes my mouth feel weird. I love it. All right, so this week, friends, because our theme is weather, I thought maybe we could talk about something related to drama, and then you guys are going to have to guess. It's going to be a guessing game. And then you can do it at home, too, with everybody around you. But we're going to talk about a word, and that word is called prop. Now, a prop is something in drama that we use when we're acting out a story, like a real physical thing, an item. So you might look at, let's say, this and say, oh, well, that's a glove. Well, you're right. It is a glove, but if I'm going to be doing a drama where I'm going to be acting or doing a little play or a show, this is now called a prop because I use it during my show. So I'm going to use a few different props, and I want you guys to guess what kind of weather I might be experiencing in my little short play that is causing me to use these kind of props. Okay? I think you can do this. So, are we ready? I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yep, I'm ready. Okay, ready? And here we go. All right, friends, can you guess what kind of weather I might be experiencing? What did I put on? Put on a scarf and gloves, two of my props. So does that mean that I'm hot? No. Does that mean that it's windy? Well, maybe. But what could it mean more? That I'm cold. Very good. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Ready? All right, friends, what's the weather if I just used this prop of an umbrella? Yes! Oh, you are so good. It is raining. That's what that means, right? It's raining! I'm gonna be out in the wet rain, and I'm gonna jump in puddles, because it's fun, right? Splish splash, get a little wet, it's okay. All right, friends, I got one more for you. And let's see if you can get this one. Now, we're gonna pretend that my glasses are sunglasses, okay? And then I do this, cause what could it be out if I need to put on sunglasses and a hat? Because I'm hot and it's super sunny. Very good. You guys are so good at this. All right. Now, I think that was amazing. That was pretty cool, huh? So that's how we can use some props as we try to act out what we're doing in our play or our little skit. That's another word that we can use. That's a drama word. So that was super duper cool, friends. I think you can do some at home too. Just use some of the things that you have at home that you might wear when you go outside. Like, what happens if it's super duper? What's happening? Oh no, it's windy out, right? I know. That was just silly. Super silly, but fun. So friends, if you want, you can go and do the same exact thing that I did, or make up your own weather using what you have at your house that would help you tell people what it might be, right? That's why we use props, because that helps us tell our story to whoever's watching. And that helps, instead of us just trying to make the motions, that's a physical thing that we can put on that helps tell our story. So that's an interesting thing to learn for this week. All right, friends, enjoy your weather, whatever that weather might be, and make up some really fun weather. Making up weather can be super duper fun. All right, have a good week, friends. I will see you next week for drama. We'll see what we can do then. All right, bye-bye, friends.